Today, I'll show you 3 simple and effective methods to remove scratches from your car right at home. Scratches on your car can be frustrating, whether it's a minor scuff or a deeper mark. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars at an auto shop, you can fix them yourself using simple household items and affordable products. In this video, I'll take you through 3 proven methods to make those annoying scratches disappear. Stick around until the end because the last method is a game changer. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly understand what we're dealing with. Car paint typically consists of 3 layers: a primer coat, the base color coat, and a clear protective top coat. The severity of a scratch depends on which layer it has penetrated. These are the most common and easiest to fix. If you can't feel the scratch with your fingernail, it's likely just in the clear coat. These are deeper and may show the color of the primer beneath. You can usually feel these with your fingernail. These penetrate all layers and expose the metal. These are the most severe and might require professional attention. The methods I'm about to show you work best for clear coat scratches and some minor paint layer scratches. Let's get started. Let's start with the easiest and most budget-friendly method, using toothpaste. Yes, the same toothpaste you use to clean your teeth can actually help buff out light scratches on your car's surface. This works best for minor scratches that haven't penetrated the paint layer.
Here's how.
Start by washing the scratched area with soap and water to remove dirt and debris. Dry it with a microfiber cloth. Use a non-gel, whitening toothpaste. Put a small amount on a microfiber cloth or a soft sponge. Gently rub the toothpaste onto the scratch in circular motions for about 5 minutes. Use a clean, damp cloth to remove the excess toothpaste and check if the scratch has faded. If the scratch is still visible, repeat the process a few more times until you get the desired result. This method works because toothpaste contains mild abrasives that help polish the surface and blend the scratch into the surrounding paint. Not all toothpastes are created equal when it comes to scratch removal. For best results, choose a white, non-gel toothpaste. Look for toothpastes with baking soda or those labeled whitening. Avoid toothpastes with added colors or large particles. Remember, this method is most effective on light surface scratches that haven't penetrated the clear coat. If you don't see improvement after 2 to 3 attempts, it's time to try our next method. If toothpaste didn't fully remove the scratch, or you want to try something different, baking soda can work wonders. Baking soda is known for its gentle yet effective cleaning properties. Here's how to use it. Mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water to create a thick paste. Use a soft cloth to apply the paste to the scratched area. Rub in circular motions for about 5 to 7 minutes, applying light pressure. Use a damp microfiber cloth to remove the paste and check your progress. Just like with the toothpaste method, you may need to repeat the process a few times for deeper scratches. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that smooths out the scratched surface without damaging your car's paint. For even better results with the baking soda method, make sure the paste has a toothpaste-like consistency, not too runny, not too thick. Use gentle, consistent pressure when buffing. Work in a shaded area, as direct sunlight can dry out the paste too quickly. I've found this method to be particularly effective on light scratches on darker colored vehicles, where scratches tend to be more noticeable. For more noticeable scratches that aren't too deep but can't be fixed with home remedies, scratch remover products are a great solution. These are available at any auto parts store or online and are designed specifically for car scratches. Here's how to use them. Look for a reputable scratch remover like Miguiar's Scratch X, Turtle Wax Scratch Repair, or 3M Scratch Remover. Wash and dry the scratch surface thoroughly before applying the product. Put a small amount on a microfiber cloth and gently rub it into the scratch using circular motions. After rubbing for a few minutes, let it dry, then buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth. To protect the repaired area and give it a smooth finish, apply a thin layer of car wax. Scratch removers work because they contain mild abrasives and fillers that blend the scratch into the surrounding paint, making it virtually invisible. With dozens of products on the market, choosing the right one can be confusing. Here's what to look for. Some products are formulated for very light scratches, while others can handle deeper ones. Some scratch removers are designed for specific car colors. For example, there are specialized products for black or dark-colored cars. Check online reviews to see how effective the product has been for others with similar scratches. My personal recommendation is Miguiar's Scratch X for light to moderate scratches. It's easy to apply and provides consistent results. For deeper scratches, 3M's Scratch and Scuff Removal Kit includes everything you need for a more comprehensive repair. WD-40 is known for its many uses, and scratch removal is one of them. It works best for very light scratches and scuff marks.
Here's how.
Apply a small amount directly to the scratched area. Wait for a minute or two so the formula can penetrate the scratch. Use a clean microfiber cloth to rub the area in circular motions. Use a separate clean cloth to remove any leftover residue. WD-40 helps fill in the tiny grooves of the scratch, making it less visible while also adding a protective layer. While WD-40 can be effective for very minor scratches, it's important to note that this is a temporary solution. The WD-40 will eventually wear off, and the scratch may become visible again. Use this method when you need a quick fix before an important event or meeting, but plan to apply a more permanent solution later. For those looking for an even more convenient solution, car scratch repair pens are worth mentioning. These pen-like tools contain clear coat that can fill in scratches. Here's how to use them. Make sure the scratch is clean and dry. Most repair pens need to be activated by shaking. Carefully apply the solution directly to the scratch, being careful not to go outside the scratched area. Allow the solution to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. These pens work best on small, narrow scratches rather than wide or deep ones. They're perfect for touch-ups on the go. You might be wondering, how do these methods actually fix scratches? The science behind it is simple. Mild abrasives, toothpaste, baking soda, scratch removers help smooth the surface by buffing out minor imperfections. Scratch remover products contain fillers that blend the scratch into the surrounding paint. Lubricating agents like WD-40 help make scratches appear less noticeable by reducing light reflection. Repair pens actually fill in the scratch with clear coat, creating a more permanent solution. Now that you've removed the scratch, here are a few tips to prevent new ones from appearing. Dirt and dust can create micro-scratches if not cleaned properly. Avoid using rough sponges that can cause swirl marks. His helps shield your car's paint from minor scratches. For longer-lasting protection, ceramic coatings create a hard shell over your paint. Try to avoid tight spaces where your car could get scratched by other vehicles or objects. If you park outside, a cover can protect your car from accidental scratches. While these DIY methods are effective for minor to moderate scratches, there are times when professional help is the better option. So there you have it. 3 effective methods and 2 bonus tricks to remove scratches from your car at home without expensive repairs. Whether you use toothpaste, baking soda, a scratch remover, WD-40, or a repair pen, each method has its own advantages depending on the severity of the scratch. Have you used any of these before? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs a simple fix for their car scratches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.